Lightening versus lightning versus lighting. This is one of the most common spelling mistakes ever. Let's take a closer look. Lightening is the present participle of to lighten. We can, for example, say, I was lightening the load on my horse because it was exhausted. Lightning describes a streak of static electricity through the sky, usually accompanied by thunder. You got struck by lightning? That must have been a shocking experience. Lighting is the arrangement of light, especially in photography. The photo was dull because the lighting wasn't good enough. Well, I hope I brought light into the matter and cleared up any confusion. That's it for today. See you next time.